In this video, I'm going to show you how I built this amazing kitchen cabinet transformation for my kitchen and cabinet client. So I leverage Lovable, and I threw the code into GoHighLevel. So I kind of combined both of them together, best of both worlds. And I'll show you in this video exactly how I did it. It's basically just to create lead magnets. So let me show you what it is and how I did it. So let's get started. Okay, so I vibe coded this application in Lovable. Obviously, you can create these types of application in GoHighLevel at the moment. So I created this kind of easy, I would say, micro app to just capture leads. Anybody that, and you could throw this basically if you're running ads. So what happens is when you take a picture of your older, let me just show you live. So how I did it. So I put the code right in here. So this is the application added. So let me just show you what I did. So once you create let me go back. Once you created an app and you like the way it looks, you could just literally ask Lovable to give you embed code. So it creates this iframe right in here, and you could just copy and paste it in Lovable. In Lovable, sorry, in GoHighLevel right in here. So let me just show you. Actually, I put the code in the pop-up. So whether it's gonna pop up as to create leads, yeah, right in here. No, not create. So right in here. So this is exactly the iframe embed code right in here. So you're gonna see it in a second. And I put it to trigger in all these call to actions buttons. Okay, let's go back. So I had to refresh the history just to give you guys so you guys could see exactly what's going on, and I'll take you step by step. So you obviously vibe code once you happy with the way the app looks in Lovable. You just embed the code in GoHighLevel. So let me show you how it looks like. Boom. Okay, now it looks beautiful on a phone as well. I know we're on the desktop. So now the client will take an image, obviously, of their older kitchen and describe their brand new kitchen exactly how they want it to look like. The color, the cabinets, whatever you describe your brand new, the way you want your new kitchen to look like. So let's upload an older kitchen that I got from the web. Let's see where it is, right in here, and you can see how ugly that is. So now you could just describe it exactly your brand new dream kitchen. Okay, I'm just gonna put gold. Let's do golden kitchen. Let's go. Let's see how my new golden kitchen will look like. Everybody likes gold. So now what's going to happen is going to trigger 18 seconds from now. It's going to trigger a form to capture a lead. And the form that it triggers came from GoHighLevel into Lovable. Okay, and I'm going to show exactly how I was able to embed the form in Lovable. So obviously you could see right here, this is after. Oh, and there it is. Okay, 18 seconds. I guess once you on that page, it triggers the countdown. So now I'm going to put my information. Dave 516 380. Test, whatever. AOL. Remember AOL? That's how old I am. As soon as you start typing, the address should pop up. Let's put anywhere and submit a quote. I guess because I refresh a bicycle. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry. Next. Oh no, buses. Sorry. Let's go. Send a quote. All right. And so now it's going to trigger automation in GoHighLevel because this form came from GoHighLevel. Let me just show you exactly what is going on. You keep looking how your new kitchen could look like. Let's close this. Now let's go back to GoHighLevel. And I'll show you how I was able to embed the code so it came. And now we could go into the context and you can see the contact should be right in here. Let's see where I am. Test right in here. You could see November 12th. Okay, at 11:32. So, and that all comes from automation. So you could see right in here, and you could just, once you have the phone number and everything connected, you could obviously just go ham with the internal notification, creating a contact, creating, obviously, so you can go back. The trigger was when form is submitted. Okay, and then it goes into all this automation, and you could obviously just go nuts with this. You could actually create now a callback, so you could literally have AI call the person, and then internal notification. It didn't set up the email. Obviously, you could do the text message, the SMS, internal or manual to send it to the client. So you could do tons and tons of stuff once it goes into your GoHighLevel CRM system. So what else did I want to show you? And the way I built the way I asked Lovable to create the form. So let's go back to sites. Let's go back to forms or surveys. I mean, you could just load anything from also even your chatbot. This is not the video for it, but it's the same type of concept. So once you do the builder right in here, right, you could create any kind of form you like from the templates. Anyway, just hit the integration. Okay, and just select either pop-up. I did the invite. So you could just literally copy the code, go back to Lovable, and just ask Lovable to, I already did it. I'm not going to do it again. So you just literally paste the code right in here and ask Lovable to create the form, whatever you want it to be. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video. I know I made it super quick. I'm sure I missed something, but I'm going to be making more of these videos where I go back and forth creating Lovable, those micro apps that you're not able to do it at the moment in GoHighLevel. I'm basically going to bring in just the form to trigger the automations from GoHighLevel. So I am going to be going back and forth, just putting in or just creating different application, like literally full-blown application, just copying the code from Lovable and putting into GoHighLevel, or vice versa, or just, but again, I'm mostly going to be triggering the forms from GoHighLevel, so this way it goes into automations. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.